Momotaro's Grandson Story 2. Once upon a time, the descendants of Momotaro lived in a small village. His name is Momotaro's child, Momojiro. Momojiro inherited his father's brave heart and was very trusted by the villagers. One day, there was a big problem in the village. From the other side of the mountain, demons appeared and began to take away the villagers' food. The villagers were afraid and couldn't do anything about it. So Momojiro decided to stand up. "I'll get rid of the demons," it was declared, and became the hope of the villagers. Momojiro summoned the descendants of dogs, monkeys, and pheasants that his father took as friends. Then, the dog puppy faithfully snuggled up to Momojiro. The monkey child moved around quickly, and the pheasant child spread its beautiful wings and jumped up. The end.